Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Today, Christmassy, big glass bauble, nail varnish, because I have a lot of this to use up. Now these baubles were a total and utter steal, I think. I didn't realise they were glass when I was buying them. I got them off eBay, 5 for £4.15. What a steal. And they open up just by, I did a test just by sliding the clip in, though it's not working for me this time. Pop that over there, pop the little cap off. Perfect. Right. Now I've gone for some really bright colours here, ones that wouldn't necessarily go together, and I'm going to drop them in one at a time and swirl them around, see what happens. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy one. Let's do it. Let's just give it a stir first. This is so cool. Now, do we wait for each colour to dry? Oh, I think some of you know where I'm going to go with this, or do we just stick the next one in and let it drag itself around together? Oh, that looks so cool, doesn't it? I'm going to stick the next one in now. I like it when colours run together. I think what I will do when we put the last one in is just leave it upside down. Oops, and I have just popped some nail varnish across the wall. Well, this one's really runny compared to the others. Should we just keep going? Let's just keep going. We're having fun. We'll give it a second drip of each. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting it to come out like this. I mean, I didn't know what I was expecting. This is just an experiment and a play and fun. So much fun. We're just going to see if we can close in the last few gaps. I'm just going to come off camera for a second so I can make sure I get right up around that lip if I can. Oh my goodness. We just got to put the tiniest bit more in there so we can get down that end because I can't quite get there. I just got to make sure that it doesn't just suddenly... Oh, here it comes. Lovely. Right, let me just... Oh my goodness. How beautiful is that? Oh, that is so gorgeous. Right, I'm just going to let that dry. Won't take long because it's nail varnish after all. And then we'll come back for the final shot. That is so quick and easy and absolutely stunning. You will never get another bauble like that. Oh, wow. Right. Our beautiful, beautiful bauble is finished. How cool is that? Like I said, I didn't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to come out that beautiful. Let's just get up close and personal quickly. Look at that. absolutely beautiful is that? I can't believe it came out looking so good. Let's get that in focus. There isn't an ugly spot on it. I was not expecting that. Let me just turn the main light off for a second. See, I've got that circle poking in the middle. Look at that. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. This is just a quick one, but a fun one. No two are ever going to be the same. Put your favourite colours in there. Put colours that you don't think are going to work in there, and they'll work. Oh my, I'm so pleased with that. Let me know what you think. Do you think this was a success? I think it was a success. I'll be curious to hear what you all think out there. I'm probably not going to get any more done this year, but I've got 4 more to play with. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more and know when it's coming. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.